Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make this scrapbook in Canva in just a few minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank presentation design in Canva, go to elements and then search for a rectangle. Then we're going to just insert it and increase its size this much so that it covers half and more of the slide. The next thing we are going to do is put it into the middle and the center, then go to color and we're just going to change its color. Next, we're gonna go to effects, and from here we're just gonna give it a glow, and we're gonna just increase its intensity to about 56. This is how it looks like right now. Then we're gonna go to elements and then frames, and from here we're just gonna go to this paper frame section. So let's go to see all, and from here we're just gonna pick up this type of a frame, which is a paper frame from one side, and from one side it is plain. We're just gonna put it right here onto the left side, go to effects, go to drop, and use these settings for it. The next thing we have to do is go back into the elements and search for paper. From here we're just gonna go to graphics and click on see all, and from here let me just pick this fourth one, rotate it like this, and we're just gonna put it just behind this frame, but make sure that it does not get into the frame because we want it to be behind the frame and not into it. Go to layer and click on send backward one time and just move it a bit to back in the back of your paper. Then what we're gonna do is select these two and we're just gonna duplicate them using Ctrl+D and then rotate it. So first of all, we're gonna rotate the frame and duplicate it and put it onto the right side. Second, we're gonna use this paper and we're just gonna duplicate it using Ctrl+D. Go to layer and then click on send backward, and we're just gonna move it to the right side a bit. The next thing we have to do is just cover our entire corner and go to elements, and from here we're just gonna search for notebook metal, and we will have to use this notebook metal that connects both the pages, and we're just gonna decrease its size, make it very small, and then duplicate it using Ctrl+D, or you can just use the duplicate option from your above panel. Next, what we're gonna do is make 4 copies of it, and we're just gonna connect all of them. And if you want to cut it into half, we will just double click on it and it will allow you to crop this as much as you want. Next, what we're gonna do is just go to elements again, and from here we're gonna search for stamp, go to frames. We're gonna use this third stamp image and we're just gonna make its corner white. Then rotate it like this and put it onto the left page. Duplicate it again and we're gonna put it onto the top but onto the white page. Next, let's add our text on both top and bottom of both the pages, and let me add some more cute things into my template. By the way, you can get this template for free from the link in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. So yeah, this is the final result. In the frames, you can just insert your images just like I did right here. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe.